Hi, I'm Nikhil and welcome to new video from Technary.com. So we have an interesting tech news for you. The brand Garmin has launched a new smartwatch into the US market. This is the Garmin Forerunner 745 smartwatch. Let us have a look at the features of this device. This device is having a 1.2-inch color touch display with 240 by 240 pixels of screen resolution. The display is sunlight visible and is protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass DX. The bezel is made of fiber reinforced polymer and the watch has 5 ATM water resistance. It also comes with GPS which can last for 7 days in a single charge. The smartwatch is able to store 200 hours of activity data. There are many sensors in this device which include barometric altimeter, accelerometer, GLONASS, compass, thermometer, and gyroscope. The device has dimensions of 43.8 by 43.8 by 13.3 millimeters. The weight of the device is 47 gram. With the smartwatch, the user gets a silicone band. It has connectivity features which include Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and ANT+. This smartwatch comes with blood oxygen saturation, heart rate monitoring, stress tracking, menstrual cycle monitoring and sleep monitoring. This device has step counter, calorie counter, distance calculator and multiple gym activity profiles. The smartwatch is able to monitor strength, yoga, Pilates workout, automatic rep counting, and cardio workouts. This smartwatch is compatible with both iOS and Android devices. This smartwatch can be also ideal for running and triathlon enthusiasts. It is able to provide detailed training stats for the athletes. It is able to track swimming, running, biking, etc. You can easily sync the music onto your watch. It is able to withstand sweat and also can be used in swimming. It is able to monitor blood oxygen saturation levels. The price is 499.99 US dollars. So if you want to purchase this smartwatch, amazing smartwatch with a lot of good water resistance and good for athletes and ideal for athletes, you can kindly check out the link in the description below to get the best price. So it is right now available in the US market. So you can directly buy from the link in the description below. So that's it from our side. For more such tech news and tech reviews, keep visiting our website which is technary.com. Kindly like this video, do subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.